Today we're going to explore the overview of big data platforms. In this lesson, we'll introduce Apache Hadoop, discuss the MapReduce data flow, and reduce sparks, as well as Spark concepts. In this course, we're going to be dealing with platforms that handle big data problems. I'm sure you have heard that the term big data. It's thrown around a lot these days, but defining it requires thinking about the changing technologies we deal with. What was considered big data a couple of decades ago would be something that I can precise on my phone now. When we think about big data, we should think about data that's too big to fit on a single machine. The solutions for this center around distributed data storage. That is data that is stored across multiple machines and distributed data processing. So by being able to process data that won't fit in the memory of a single machine. Let's give an example. A global trading desk faces data volumes far larger than a single machine can handle. Billions of ticks per second per petabyte of historical price data. To manage this, the desk uses distributed storage and distributed processing, ingest and storage. Market feeds are sharded in Kafka by symbol, so each consumer reads only the partitions it needs. Raw tickets streams into a cost-efficient object stored as packet files, that's called storage, partitioned by date and symbol for large-scale historical analysis. Recent ticks and current positions are kept in a fast distributed storage to support low latency lookups and distributed processing. The Spark structured streamline runs across a clustered, consuming Kafka partitions in parallel to compute rolling 30 minutes, realize the volatility, and running PNL per instrument. Those computed metrics are written to a low latency OLAP store that powers traders' dashboards and automated margin alerts. Nightly Spark batch jobs run across many nodes to join the Parquet archive with end-of-day holdings and the platform full book VR and stress tests. Results are written back to Parquet and registered in the catalog for ad hoc queries. By splitting hot and cold storage and using both streaming and batch processing across many machines, the desk processes data that can't fit on a single server, reacting in seconds to intraday risk while returning petabytes of histories for reporting and model development. And there are lots of big data platforms out there, some oriented more towards storage and some oriented more towards processing. In this course, we'll be looking at Hadoop, which is both a specific implementation of the MapReduce algorithm and also a platform for big data processing, including distributed storage, as well as other tools. We'll look at Spark, which is a data processing engine that is very popular now for handling big data problems. We'll look at Snowflake, which began as distributed storage solution but is evolving to also include data processing solutions. And finally, we'll look at Databricks, which began more on the processing side but also involves storage. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more insights. See you next time. Happy investing!